Hello friends, up till now we have discussed how to create the company in TelePrime 4.0, how to select the company data or say how to open the particular company data. We have also discussed how to make the alteration in company master data in TelePrime 4.0. Today we are going to discuss how to search the particular company data that are open in TelePrime 4.0. You can also say that how to close the particular company data which are open in TelePrime 4.0. So here you will find the name of the company. So here the three company are open: ABC Limited, PQR and Company, and XYZ Associate. So here if you want to close down, that is search the ABC Limited company data, then you have to select here the company tab. Here you will find the search option. So I am selecting the search option. Here you will find the list of the company. You have to select the particular company which you want to search. So I am selecting the ABC Limited. As and when I will select the ABC Limited, you will find that the ABC Limited data will close. So I am selecting here ABC Limited. Here my data of ABC Limited is closed. Now I will show you the another method how to search or how to close the particular company data in TelePrime 4.0. So the shortcut to make the search of particular company data is Control plus F3. That is, you will also find the shortcut here, Control plus F3. So here I am pressing the Control plus F3 from my keyboard. You will find the list of the company. Suppose I want to close the XYZ Associate or say PQRN company, whichever the company I want to close, I have to select from here. Suppose I am making the selection of PQRN company, you will find that the PQRN company will be closed. So I am making the enter on PQRN company. You will find that the company PQR and company is closed. So in this way you can shut down the particular company data or you can close the particular company data in Tele 4.0. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.